Time and again, I'm approached by equipment operators who have been told that they need to change their oil. From their perspective, the oil was good yesterday, and suddenly today someone's telling them that it needs to be replaced. And this has led to the pervasive myth in our industry that oils die suddenly. But the truth of the matter is that they don't. Critical industrial lubricants only die when their lubricant chemistry fails, and this only occurs after prolonged periods of neglect. If you want to avoid this fate for your lubricant, you need to manage its chemistry more actively. When it comes to lubricant chemistry management, the first step is to have reliable and accurate oil analysis. You need to run the right tests, you need to run them the right way, and you need to run them at the right frequency. When you do this, it gives you a remarkable window into your fluid's condition, into your oil's chemical health. When you have your oil analysis data in front of you, the next step is to compare your results with relevant limits. These are limits that have been specified by your OEM or in industry standards like ASTM D4378 and D8323 for steam turbine and gas turbine users. When you compare your oil analysis data to the limits in standards like these, you can very quickly classify your fluids as being in spec, out of specification, or grossly out of specification. When a fluid is in spec, that's great. It documents your compliance with OEM and industry standards. It's never too early to start managing lubricant chemistry, however. So if you want to keep your in-spec oil that way, you should proactively manage your lubricant chemistry. Out-of-spec results are typically viewed through a negative lens because if we have an off-spec result, it's because there was a problem with the lubricant's chemistry. Now, fortunately, a number of these problems can be addressed. So out-of-spec results don't have to be a bad thing. In fact, they can be a good thing because they can help you to prioritize lubricant chemistry management on the systems that will benefit from it most. The third and final possibility when you compare your oil analysis results to relevant limits is that you find that your fluid is grossly out of specification. And this occurs when there are problems with lubricant chemistry that simply can't be fixed. They're too far gone. This oil is in fact dead, but it didn't die overnight. It took some time to get there. Regardless, this is a fluid that continued operation will present a high risk to your operations. The best way to mitigate that risk is to replace this oil. We wanted to help oil maintenance programs around the world to start 2024 off on the right foot. So what's the first step to doing so? Again, review your recent oil analysis reports. If you don't have recent oil analysis, reach out to us at EPT Clean Oil. Our Fluid Technical Center offers a variety of ASTM-compliant test packages that can help to give you the data that you need to effectively manage your lubricant life cycle and make maintenance decisions. Once you have oil analysis data in hand, whether it's from our tech center or from your local lab, compare your results with the limits in established standards like ASTM D8323 and ASTM D4378. If you still need help with any of this, reach out to us at EPT Clean Oil. Ask us about Fluid Health Check. Fluid Health Check is a new tool which we've developed, and it puts your oil analysis data and all of the industry's relevant limits in one easy-to-see place. Not only does Fluid Health Check highlight problems with your oil chemistry, but it tells you if your results are in spec, out of spec, and quantifies how far out of spec your results are. If a Fluid Health Check reveals problems with your lubricant chemistry, EPT Clean Oil has the solutions that you need to address these. ICB ion exchange resins are a key part of lubricant chemistry management, and they have been developed for use in a number of different and critical industrial applications. At the end of the day, Fluid Health Check provides you with evidence-based maintenance guidance. There's no time like the present to use Fluid Health Check and lubricant chemistry management to set you and your oil maintenance program up for success in 2024.